gentlemen, welcome to the opposite. My name is YADO and I will guide you through this episode. Before we start in today's episode, I would like you to subscribe our channel so I can give you some more support and more people are able to see. The most big point of my channel is to show you new projects and projects which are kindly at the bottom and we're looking for straight upwards. So this is for now the point, and now that's also the point what brings us to our today's episode's points, the content. Good, we will talking about some price discussions and we will talking about 3 projects as we do always here. First ones will be labs, the second ones will be ASTRO, and the third will be POOLZ. So very nice projects. They had some really good movements. They did their job so far. We'll see what are they now about. Good, like you can see here, first ones will be labs. Labs looked like a massive uptrend. It went from out of kindly, let's say, nothing in just no time up to the 14 cent with some peak above the 15 cent points. Right after it started to break through and walk down all the way, not completely down, but it's now around the 4 cent channel. So I would say this will be the bottom. Even though the peak out from the last days showed us how strong this can go from out of nothing, let's say. So I would say the next peak will be early, very early, and it's already at the bottom, so I think it will start to grow further. Look at their holders above the 12,000, so very nice. If you having a look about the supply, 10 billion labs will be supply. I think there is pretty much on the point. They can do much more so far. I think the 15 cent peaks were just a start. I think it's very possible to go up to $1 even though, so their idea is very well, it's all about the real estate, so they get some good stuff. They did supported it pretty matter. The promotion was also very good, and like you see, the holders, I think the most holders will agree on that. So I would say very nice project. Let's go to our next ones. ASTRO. ASTRO is pretty cool. It's kindly a supercharge project, so it's the combination between the SEC and SECs and DEX. You will be able to trade, so supercharging tradable. And it showed already that it's really on the upway. It is a walkthrough. The DEX score is pretty trustful so far. Even if you look on the supply, 5 million, this is kindly nothing. 3 million are out in circulating supply, so this 1.9 $90 is just the start so far. If you ask me, there is everything above $10 very possible. They do a pretty good job, like you see, since more than a month, so 1.5 months. They're in a constantly grow. Not the fastest grow so far, I would say, but definitely on the grow. So this is very strong supported. I think it's not over till now. It will go further, even on the constantly way, because it's a very cool project and the utility. Have a look on them. Go to the website, join them. You will see what I mean, and I think you will agree at least. It's a very good investment. I know I show you kindly all couple of days, sometimes every day, more than once, very new projects, very good projects, which are tradable. You don't need to invest in all of them. Search for the ones which you like the most. It's the same for me. I only show you many projects so you can choose the right ones so far. Good, and this brings me to our last project in this episode. It's POOLZ. POOLZ is, let's say, not the newest project so far. It's, even though it's pretty new, because it started around, when was it started? It launched at 16th of January, so this is new at least. and it had some very interesting movements. So like you can see, it had some very hard move, peaked out and came down very fast. Have a look here. This looks kindly similar to me. If you have a look here and then here, maybe it will be a start of some couple of weeks of a sidewalk, but I wouldn't agree on that because this project is moving pretty fast, pretty soon, pretty hard. Like you see, pumps and dumps for kindly like 30% are just nothing. Like you see, in just no time, 50% down move, more than 50%, and yeah, no one got it at first. So for now, I would say it's a very good point to hop on this train. Close to 6,000 holders already out there. Look for the total supply. 5 million, 2 millions are in circulation. So this is not pretty much. Like you can see, the community trust is pretty high and more than okay, one more, the 101 votes on DEX tools, guys. This is crazy. This is working. So to me, this tells a lot. So like you can see here, buy and sell, very close to each other, but more buy orders definitely, like you can see. And even though here's it's the same all over, looks like the community and also new investors are definitely on the hop on point here. This is the peaky point for me. I would say if you want to join them, now you're at the right point. It will not drop that much as far as I can see, because also this looks very equal here. And yeah, when it peaked, it dipped so far. It never came down more again. It ran out and very slow into an accumulation here. So I think even though if it goes a little bit lower, this will be not that bad, because like you can see, this peak was very great. The dip was a perfect hop on situation. So far, I would say it's a very good point for now to hop on. Good, let's go to our Twitter channel. There you can see many informations. I had a question out there. What's your favorite crypto for Q2 2021? I got some very nice answers, and yeah, would like you to join it there too. And if you want me to do a video about it, leave it in the comment too. The last video I've did was Sake and the ATH, so the indexed, and Frog Finance. Very interesting projects with some high gaining potential. Sake already showed, indexed even too, and Frog Finance is already on the start, and it's just for our nature pretty nice. I like kindly projects like this, so that's cool. That's always nice. Like I said, my opinion about all three projects, I think you already know it. Labs is real estate. Real estate is I don't know how much I should say about it. You know, there is so much money on it, in it, and all around it. So this is very nice. ASTRO, supercharged trading for techs and DEX. It talks for itself. And POOLZ, you can see the dip was pretty nice. So to me, it looks like a perfect point to hop on. Like you know, I'm not a financial advisor, so these episodes are always for entertaining and showing you mainly new projects which have the possibility to go big, maybe up into the top 100 by market cap. Everything's possible. Hope you have to look from the opposite. Enjoy your day.